What's happening, Hardscapers? Day 2 on this project, and do we have an excavation going on here? Let's get into this. So the stump removal company came in and just shredded everything here. Now that's the machine I needed. We're down 2.5 feet here until we're hitting good sub-base material here. The rest of it is organic, so you can see how much got shredded here and you know how much higher this is. This is our subgrade. You can see we're hitting a clay sandy soil, and all of this built on top of it that we're shredding out here is organics that needs to come out. Otherwise this decomposes over time, patio sinks down, and that's not what we want. We want to build from a proper foundation soil. So we talked about it up here before, where we're hitting some clay. This isn't where the tree was, this little quarter part of the patio, but that's where the tree was. And down here and there, like we're 28 inches or so. Up here, probably about the same. So all of this needs to come out. Still quite a bit more. And all said, I think it'll be about 19 yards of material. So that's 19 yards that I did not account for with this. Like I said before, started with a synthetic base model for this. Really messed up with that in terms of how much organics are here, the stumps that are here. Glad the stump removal company came out and it did that for us. But now we've got quite a mess on our hands to get out. But we'll get it done and we'll show you what we're doing. So you can see we built an access route to be able to get up. This is this is like where we need to be excavation wise here, and that starts our ramp up because we're on good building soil, subsoil here. So we're just going to leave this as it is for the most part until we start to level things out, and then we can compact that into the ground. But you can see that's still mulched up there. That's got to come out. We're going to use that as our access road to load up the wheelbarrow and to take it out for now. And we'll just be moving in here, scooping, coming up the access route. And then at the end, very end, we'll take out this access route and excavate that to where we need to, remove it, and then start bringing in gravel. And that's the end of day 2 on this project. As you can see, the Stump company did come out right away, fixed what they needed to do for the client, what I expected was to be done for the client as well. Now, one thing that's important to note on a contractor's end is that in our contract, we have an underground obstruction clause. And if you are thinking about adding this to your contract or whatever, talk to a lawyer to be sure that you can do this, that this is within the laws of where you are from, where your municipality is, whatever that might be. But what that is for us is we don't know what's under the ground. We can't know until we start digging. So if we hit something or if we come into contact with something that wasn't located by, say, public locates, or the homeowner didn't know it was there, or for example, these stumps, we did not know how large they were going to be or how much of an obstruction they would be. And we can go back to our contract and let our client know that this would be a change order. This would be something that would be additional for us to go ahead and remove these stumps and to continue forward with this project, or we can provide another solution to the project for the client in this case. On this specific project, we did know that there were stumps there. We just didn't know how large that they were going to be in this case. With that being said, if you enjoy this video, we have a couple more days on this project to come. Like this video if you found it helpful or informative or entertaining for whatever reason. Comment below any questions that you may have in regards to this, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more hardscaping content. Thank you so much for watching.